Little Birch House by Buck&Simple is a remarkable example of contemporary residential architecture, embodying the principles of poetic modernism within a dense urban context. Situated on the traditional lands of the Camaigal people in New South Wales, Australia, this 320-square-metre home was designed for a young family seeking the serenity of resort living amidst the daily urban grind. The house is designed to address the challenges of a compact urban lot. Split-level planning and strategically placed skylights allow natural light to permeate the interiors, visually expanding the space and connecting the home to city and district views. As one descends from street level, the house gradually reveals a lush garden oasis, merging indoor and outdoor living areas to create a sense of privacy and immersion. This deliberate progression fosters a measured, contemplative experience for its inhabitants. The design features a restrained palette of high-quality materials, concrete, timber, and stone, that respond dynamically to changing light throughout the day, creating subtle variations in texture and atmosphere. The standout architectural element is the ribbon-like concrete staircase, which appears to float above the lower floor, serving as both a sculptural centerpiece and a functional connector between levels. Every surface is considered for its tactile qualities, offering warmth and weight, smoothness and grain, which together cultivate a meditative, calming environment. The interplay of mass and void, light and shadow, and open and closed spaces fosters a sense of rhythm and tranquility. The integration of native landscaping further blurs the boundary between inside and outside, reinforcing the home's connection to its surroundings. Beyond aesthetics, the house is designed for performance and comfort. Smart zoning ensures privacy and flow, while concealed joinery and passive strategies, such as cross-ventilation and solar orientation, promote natural temperature regulation. Little Birch House is a testament to thoughtful, site-sensitive design. It demonstrates how restraint, attention to detail, and a deep understanding of context can create a home that is not only functional and beautiful but also emotionally resonant, a true sanctuary within the city.